Hey guys, Helen here, and this is English in Details. Our topic today is Proverbs. You can hear Proverbs in daily communication. They are short and wise sentences that can describe almost any life situation, and they usually suggest some life advice. So Proverbs can make our communication more efficient and lively. So today we're going to talk about 6 very common proverbs, their meanings, and also how to use them in context. So let's get straight to the point. Proverb number 1. You can't make an omelette without breaking eggs. This proverb means that to achieve a goal or change your life for the better, you have to face some challenges. In other words, some positive changes in life often entail other changes that might not be as positive, and as a result, you have to deal with some adverse effects. For example, imagine that you've decided to quit your job as you have a better offer from another employer, but once at your new job, you start facing some new difficulties. For instance, you have trouble getting on with your new colleagues. Then one of them says, "Oh, don't worry, you'll be fine. You can't make an omelette without breaking eggs."
You can't make an omelette without breaking eggs.
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. This proverb refers to workaholics who work so much they can't even find time to enjoy their life. It points out that if a person doesn't have any time off work, they become both bored and boring. So when you see your colleagues staying late in the office, you might remind them that they should take a little rest, saying, "All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy."
All work and no play?
Don't look a gift horse in the mouth. It means you shouldn't be ungrateful when receiving a gift, even if you are dissatisfied with the present. In other words, when we receive a present, no matter what the present is and whether we like it or not, we should always keep in mind that it's the thought that matters.
It's so refreshing to work with someone who will throw a saddle on a gift horse rather than look it in the mouth.
Our next proverb is very easy to remember as it is short and it rhymes. Out of sight, out of mind means when you haven't seen someone or something for a long time, you start forgetting about them. Let's say you have a friend who has a bad habit of drinking too much coffee. So with your best intention, you take their coffee away saying, "Out of sight, out of mind."
There, out of sight, out of mind.
Although there is no guarantee that it will help, this proverb fits perfectly in this context. Don't judge a book by its cover. This proverb means the appearance can say nothing about someone's or something's value, just the same way as a good-looking cover of the book doesn't guarantee the quality of its content. I once stepped into a very nice-looking hotel with a perfect design, but the quality of food there was not as good as I had expected. And I believe that each of us has ever made a similar mistake when we judge the book by its cover.
I shouldn't judge a book by its cover.
And the last proverb sounds as, "When the cat's away, the mice will play." It means people will have more freedom to do as they wish when unsupervised by someone in charge. You can often hear this proverb in a working environment. In a situation when the boss is away, the employees will do whatever they want. And in this case, the entire working process is likely to be messed up.
The cat's away, we thought we mice would have a bit of a play.
They're not in the mood.
And that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, leave your comments and consider subscribing. See you soon. Bye bye.